First, I'll demonstrate the physical connection of the Y780s data acquisition and storage software. We insert the TF card containing the boot bin file into the TF card slot and set the dip switch to TF card boot mode. Then connect one end of the 100G fiber optic cable to the first QSFP28 interface. The other end connects to the first fiber optic port of the FX200. Then connect the serial cable. Connect to a 12V8 5A power supply. Then connect the two antenna lines. Connect the TX0 and RX0 radio frequency channels of the Y780 separately. Next, I'll demonstrate the data acquisition and storage software operation section. First, let us introduce the software interface of the data collection and storage software. The software is divided into 6 sections. The top left area displays the spectrum graph. Below is the software's log section. You can view the software's operational status. You can configure some software parameters in the upper right corner. The first column is for the software's basic settings. It's about configuring the equipment. A reference clock can be set. FDD, TDD modes, RX antenna enabled or disabled, FTSO. Then configure the signal bandwidth by setting the sampling rate. Set DAC voltage, PPS mode. The middle part is the software's data collection. At the bottom are the software's playback settings. After powering on, we click to open the device. You can see it in the log section. The board has now been successfully opened. We are currently using an 8-channel device. The software will automatically detect the number of channels on the device. The settings at the top, middle, and bottom for capture and playback are duplicated. It can be seen that the device has 8 channels. Next are RF0 through RF7. Configure the software's RF parameters. You can set the transmit frequency, receive frequency, transmit attenuation, and receive gain, transmission and reception bandwidth. The last column is for configuring the spectrum plot. You can set the size of each grid in the spectrum plot. Display settings, such as resolution. Then collect settings. The receiving antenna of the device was used during data collection. We are currently using the first receiving antenna of the software. Therefore, we will enable RF0. You can also choose the storage size for each channel. Software path. We use the default path. We'll save the file in. The software's path and file name conventions can also be customized. When the collected files are relatively large, we can split the file into multiple smaller files. Then click Start. The collection has now been successfully completed. As can be seen from the file name, information such as the device channel, acquired frequency points, sampling rate, and acquisition time. Then replay. We connect the TX0 to the spectrum analyzer via an SMA cable. Then enable TX0. Add the file you just collected. Click to start. You can see the spectrum diagram of the signal just captured. The operational section of the data collection and storage software has now been fully introduced.